Hi everyone, this is Nidhi, your English coach, and you're watching this video on the Urban Diaries YouTube channel. Now you can also follow me on Instagram. You will get the link of my Instagram handle in the description box. Today we learn how to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. Let's see the format first. To start with, first we write sender's name. Then we mention sender's address, as in city, state and zip code of that area. We leave a line and then we write the date. After leaving one more line, we write all the required information about the receiver, that is the editor. Then the address, as in the city, state and the zip code. After that, we write down the subject of the letter. Now we'll start the letter with an appropriate salutation. A salutation in a letter is a phrase that is used as a greeting at the beginning of it, such as respected sir or madam. Then we start writing the main body of the letter, which can be written in 3 or 4 paragraphs, each paragraph highlighting a particular theme. As in, the first paragraph of the letter should discuss the main problem of the letter. We can also call it the introduction. The second paragraph should mention the causes and the effects of that discussed problem in paragraph 1. You can also write the causes and effects in 2 different paragraphs to convey your message clearly. Then we conclude the letter with a request or by giving some suggestions for the problem in the last paragraph. This is how we write the main body of the letter. We close the letter with a complimentary closing. We also call it subscription. And at the very last, we write sender's name and his signature if required. Let's see a sample letter now. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the poor condition of roads in your city. This causes frequent accidents. Sender's address: F27, Ashok Vihar, New Delhi. Dated 4th January 2021. Receiver's address: the editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. Subject: highlighting the bad condition of roads. Sir, I would be obliged if you would be kind enough to spare a little space for my letter in your esteemed and highly popular daily. I write to you to put forward the difficulties which the public has to bear due to the bad condition of road in our city. The road leading to Ashok Vihar is very congested all hours of the day. This road is one of the busiest roads of the city, but the condition of this road is very poor. In our locality, the roads have not been repaired for 3 years. There are pitfalls and breakages everywhere on the road. The situation gets aggravated in monsoons when many people get injured and have accidents due to open manholes and pits on it. Street vendors have encroached the road from both the sides. It is very hard to pass through that road even on foot because this road is so crowded. There are not even the traffic lights in our area to ensure everyone's safety. Signboards and street lights for night visibility are also missing. Daily office goers and students get completely drained out their energy in commutation. People don't reach their offices on time because they are often caught in the traffic jam. I therefore request the concerned authorities to look into the matter seriously and take some suitable steps. We have complained the concerned authorities a number of times, but no amount of complaints have borne fruit. I hope that my letter will get an appropriate space in your esteemed newspaper. Yours sincerely. You may find more such letters on my channel. To improve your writing skills, do subscribe my YouTube channel Urban Diaries. Happy learning, guys!